咁因為頭先第7場有馬退出啦，咁啊遲咗開跑，第8至第10場呢將會按原定開跑時間順延5分鐘。
今日騎師王就上咗嚟啦喎，黃志宏啊，原先帶頭就潘頓啊、艾兆禮佢哋，
距離畢業就好近啦。
真係今日情人節啲心心都真係幾好㗎，即係唔單止滿心星、信心星啦，仲有啲開心宇宙，又有啲愛心波咁，都好多心喎，原來都
係
愛心滿片沙田馬場，
又幾應景喎嚇。
後面都仲有啊，
後面啲冷啦，升位心得嘅，開心果啊！
咁會唔會真係 Super Love 啊、戀愛狂啊？
哦，呢啲都係喎，應景嘅。轉頭睇埋個頒獎啊，就 TVB 杯。
方家柏贏2場，35 win， 咁上嚟又拍翻住阿廖康明嘞噃。廖康明今日暫時未贏馬，不過尾場有這一生好彩。希斯呢？希斯今日都靜喎，
靜啊！
未剩翻有2隻都冷門嚟嘅。
今日希斯都要喺下半版先見到佢嘅練馬師王。
個個都出好多馬，因為今日佢都唔算好多，個個閒地都10零隻啦。
各位來賓 ，TVB 杯頒獎儀式現在開始。
Ladies and gentlemen, the TVB Cup Trophy Presentation Ceremony will now commence.
各位馬迷大家好，2026 TVB 杯嘅得主咧已經順利誕生啦，就係由信心星系勝出㗎。Congratulations to Sky Trust winning the TVB Cup 2026。喺呢個時候咧，我哋有請 TVB 行政主席許濤先生將獎杯以及小型獎杯係頒發俾勝出頭馬信心星嘅馬主，就係有關漢明、關敏恒、關俊明以及係關敏婷㗎。Mr. Thomas Hui, the Executive Chairman of TVB, has just presented the winning trophy, and now the miniature to Bryant Kwan Hon Ming, Jessica Kwan Meng Hang, Jeffrey Kwan Chun Ming, and also Dora Kwan Meng Ting, the winning owner of Sky Trust. Congratulations! 跟住我哋有請 TVB 商務營運總經理蕭世和先生將小型嘅獎杯頒發俾勝出頭馬嘅練馬師方家柏。And now, Mr. Siu Sai-wo, General Manager, Business Operations of TVB, is now presenting a miniature to winning trainer Casper Fowles. Congratulations! 最後我哋有請香港著名嘅演藝紅星汪明荃博士，就係將小型嘅獎杯頒發俾勝出嘅騎師黃志宏。And now, Dr. Lisa Wang, the esteemed Hong Kong entertainment icon, is now presenting the miniature to the winning jockey Alice Wong. Congratulations and thank you, Dr. Wang, thank you, Mr. Hui and Mr. Siu。喺呢個時候咧，我哋有請咧勝出嘅騎師黃志宏咧，就係將花束啊係頒發俾汪明荃博士㗎。And now a beautiful bouquet to Dr. Wang。唔該晒。跟住落嚟當然就影翻張大合照啦嚇。And now it's time for the group photo to commemorate this very special moment。再一次恭喜晒信心星係勝出我哋2026嘅 TVB 杯㗎。Congratulations once again to all the winning connections。亦都再一次恭喜晒勝出嘅馬主、練馬師同埋騎師。頒獎儀式咧亦都已經圓滿結束㗎啦，大家繼續享受我哋餘下嘅賽事嚇。This is the end of the trophy presentation, so please enjoy the rest of the races and good luck.